Ahoy, hoy, happy Sunday, and welcome back to my channel for another Sunday motivation. Today I am cleaning up the giant junk pile that is our kitchen table. I would like to be able to use this again, so I'm getting all this crap out of the way and then getting it sorted out afterwards. I really just want it to look nice and feel a little more homey and less like a junk collection table, which is what it is. Yeah, I guess you couldn't really see this earlier because there was so much stuff in the way, but I absolutely 100% before starting filming this tripped over the dog dishes and spilled all of his water and his food like in the same spot. So there's a bunch of mushy dog food on the floor, and that's why I have to pat that up before sweeping because it was just nasty. So this is the final product. I got all of the dog food cleaned up. If you're wondering where all that stuff went, it is now here. Some of it's already been kind of put away. Really, all I'm gonna do from here is put the rags and the cleaning stuff in that bin over there, and then the rest of this is gonna kind of either go in the junk drawer or like this. I'm gonna have to find a spot. I know that painting's a little off center, but we had to move the table to fit the little craft bin there and still have it seatable. This is my little decor spot here. I've got a candle holder, a charmed aroma candle, which yes is a Christmas scent, but we're getting into the season and I like to use Christmas scents in fall as well. And then that is a crystal, and that's on my mirrored platter thingy from the dollar store. So is that runner. I did try it out in the middle of the table, but this is the table we use to like do stuff in the kitchen, so we would have to constantly move it, whereas if it's just over there, then we only have to move it occasionally when we need that part of the table. And then we still have a cute little decor, and I feel like the colors tie in with the painting, and it's alright, it's cute, it's suitable. for right now. So this is the bin from our junk drawer. It doesn't have a whole lot in there right now, just batteries, because almost everything was on the kitchen table. So this is probably the biggest part of all this, is getting all the batteries, extra baby proofing items and such put away in this bin. And we do use bins in our kitchen drawers because we had a problem with mice getting in the drawers last year. So the solution was to put everything in a lidded bin and then put the bins in the drawers so we could still use the drawers and keep everything out of the way. You'll see that once I get this bin actually put in the drawer. But this is a lot of what was on that table, is just this little crap. So I'm going to leave it off with this last bit of stuff. So the one bin, I'm just putting my daily cleaning supplies in, the stuff I use all the time. And then the second bin is just going to house the regular like kitchen stuff. So like drying mat and dishcloth and washcloths, that kind of thing. And yeah, that's it for today. So thanks so much for watching. Leave a thumbs up if you liked it. Subscribe if you feel so inclined. And we will see you in the next one.